When you're staring down a thick slab of reinforced concrete, or even just some stubborn masonry, the right tool isn't just a convenience, it's an absolute necessity. And that's where something like the Dlinanta 10-inch diamond core drill machine really steps up to the plate. This isn't your average drill. It's built for serious work, designed to punch through materials that would make most other tools weep. What immediately grabs your attention is the sheer power packed into this rig. We're talking about a 4250-watt pure copper motor here, pushing out a no-load speed of 500 RPM. That kind of muscle means it can handle those tough, reinforced concrete jobs, making holes up to a full 10 inches in diameter. For professional contractors, or anyone needing to run large pipes or conduits, that capability is just invaluable. It feels like it's got torque to spare, which is exactly what you want when you're boring into something as unforgiving as concrete. Now, with that much power, safety becomes paramount, and Dlinanta seems to have thought this through. There's a mechanical safety clutch built right in, which is a huge relief because nobody wants kickback when they're drilling. And if you push it a little too hard, or it starts to bind, an auto cutoff switch kicks in to prevent overload. That's smart engineering right there. The handle feels solid, non-slip, giving you a good grip, and the shaft itself is rust-proof iron, which is a nice touch for longevity, especially with all the wet drilling this machine is designed for. Speaking of wet drilling, that's another key feature. This isn't a dry-only operation. It comes with a 4.9-foot water hose and an aluminum inlet, all designed to keep the drill bit and the motor cool. You can see the multiple heat dissipation holes, and honestly, that's crucial for extending the life of a motor working this hard. For HVAC, plumbing, or any construction project where you need to keep dust down and bits cool, this setup is pretty much essential. Precision is also a big deal, especially when you're drilling for specific installations. The 19.7-inch lifting rack and a maximum drilling depth of 3.3 feet give you really fine control over your depth. You can dial it in exactly for pipes or electrical conduits, or even when you're taking core samples. And the base. It's a thickened steel plate with leveling feet. That's not just for show. It genuinely helps keep the whole rig stable, which is absolutely critical for accurate, clean holes. You can feel the weight of that base, giving it a reassuring planted feel. Durability is another area where this machine aims to impress. It's built with a copper-aluminum alloy and a hardened steel frame, so it's clearly designed to take a beating on a job site. And for maintenance, they've made it pretty straightforward. The external carbon brushes are easy to get to and replace, which is a small but significant detail that saves time and hassle down the line. The vertical design is also a clever touch. It definitely helps save space, making it a bit easier to store and transport, though it's still a substantial piece of equipment. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that while it's a complete drilling rig, it doesn't actually come with the drill bit itself. So you'll need to factor that into your purchase. And while the vertical design is good for space, it's still a heavy-duty machine, so don't expect to be tossing it around like a cordless drill. It's a tool that demands respect, both in its operation and its handling. So yeah, for anyone in the trades who regularly needs to core through tough materials, this Dlinanta machine looks like a really solid contender. It brings the power, the safety features, and the precision you need to get those demanding jobs done right. It's a serious piece of kit for serious work.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.